Video 921, BFJ 211, the source code is right here. You're on the fast code review. Let's fucking go. So in const macros by system in the rule fata constants, we made bugs here. We had the frames of visible time for our laser and frames of visible time for our flames. The visible time was less than the frames of damage time for these things, which is bad. You don't want it to damage the player and be invisible. You want it the other way around so it's more flexible, or not more flexible, but more forgiving. So the frames of visible for the flames is now 15, but the frames of damage for the flames is only 2 frames. Now the frames of visible and the frames of damage for the lasers is going to be exactly equal to each other, 7 frames. So we fixed the bugs that we created, and now the settings actually make sense from a game design perspective. Okay, in data by system, in the rule bomb data section, we've added this blocking table section. Data, rule bomb, v16 bomb value to whether or not we are blocking. We're going to use a function const array uint8 constructor with 16 elements in it. And that's because 16 things go in and 16 booleans for whether or not we're blocking go out. So we have 0 for the nothing bomb. Then some spark boxes block, some spark boxes don't. And then, so some spark boxes can be used as a laser stop. All lasers block because we want to use the lasers to bend light from the laser to create like bending fuses. And then none of the bomb types, the Jax bombs and the box bombs, they do not block. So what am I talking about blocking? Do I even have time to explain that? Well, let's go here. Let's go Alt G for a second. Alt G, right? If I touch this, see this laser? You see how when I touch this laser, they penetrate each other? They should be bouncing laser light off of each other, and the laser should not be like cutting through the entire level pack like it is right now, because those 2 lasers were facing each other, and they should be blocking each other and bouncing light back and forth, and that's not the behavior we're getting. So if you want a longer explanation of what I'm talking about, 10-minute code review is here. You're on the 1-minute code review. Source code is here. Tech demos only are here. My name is Kanji Coder. I am making a Bomberman MMO. This is basically Bomberman on steroids. If you love Bomberman, you're gonna fucking love this. You're gonna like this more than the original Bomberman. My name's Kanji Coder.